Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Madurai location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for office assistant and field executive for Selvaratna Enterprises. So they need a office assistant and field executive. Basic computer knowledge and English and Tamil speak and written skills are required. And for field executive, you should have a driving license and Aadhaar card. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for Election Commission of India. They are looking for like multiple openings. Exam date will be notified soon. English language and any local language. Mode of application through online. So salary will be offered 25,500 to 81,100 per month. Reservation is applicable as per the Election Commission of India official website. You can browse the official website provided in below in description. Eligibility if we see, offers under the central government holding analogs post on regular basis. The initial period of deputation will be for 3 years, which may be extended till the services are required in the commission. Vigilance clearance and integrity certificate, statement of penalties imposed if any during the last 10 years, attested copies of the character roles of the person concerned for the last 3 years. Incomplete applications in any form will not be considered. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. Next, there is a job openings for area sales officer, food and FMCG for Udaan. So skills required: sales and marketing channel sales, dealer sales and distributors sales. Work schedule will be day shift. Industry type is B2B e-commerce, and requirements are as below. Candidates must have any bachelor's degree from recognized university, must have a sales or marketing experience. Also welcome if you have a customer relationship experience. Local area knowledge of Madurai is required. Good communication, convincing and presentation skills are required. So you should be able to hire a team of sales candidates. So these are all the responsibilities. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for a packing and operations executive. So this is for the Flipkart. Education qualification is 12th pass or undergraduates. So if you see the selection criteria for the both packer or operation jobs, candidates should have a 12th or undergraduates, must be ready to join urgent basis, must have a local area knowledge of Madurai to make fresh package supply from warehouse. Experience does not matter that much if you will learn required skills. Need to do overtime some days when workload is high, example festival season, special days, etc. Need to play back office role and take all responsibility of warehouse activity. Local or native candidates from Madurai, Tamil Nadu will get priority at time of selections. So this is the job like selection criteria and qualification details. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for marketing executive for the organization Farming. So if you see the details, post will be marketing executive and this is for freshers. So fresher graduates can apply. Salary will be 2.2 lakhs to 3 lakhs per annum. Work location Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Work area or city will be nearby availability. Apply mode is only online. Education background bachelor's degree and above. Work shift is daytime. And if you see the criteria requirements, like candidate who have completed graduation with at least or above 55% of marks or equivalent CGPA, Applicant must have locality knowledge of Madurai, Tamil Nadu or native from city. Own vehicle should be good for traveling in the city. Good in presentation skill and team group discussion. Candidates with prior experience will be preferred from a marketing job in Tamil Nadu. Madurai will be the location. Good to have computer basic knowledge and marketing ideas skills. So these are all the details and requirement criteria. If you want to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for office executive, and you can start a career in ICICI Bank. They have bank office executive, field workers, assistant manager and manager positions. Qualification is 10th pass, 12th pass for office bank office executive or field workers, and for other positions BCom, MCom, graduate or postgraduate and MBA. Experience is not required, open for all. Salary range will be 15,000 to 43,000 per month. Job location across India depending upon availability at Madurai. Job description, if you see, applicant who want to join ICICI Bank work in Madurai bank careers team, manage overall banking, financial operations and accounts work, adhere to prescribed TAT or SLAs for trade financial products, prepare KYCs, MIS and BRS reports, build relationship with customers in your area, that is Madurai. Candidates should have excellent communication skills, knowledge of some banking terms and process, knowledge of some banking operation works. And to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for Madurai startups. For they are looking for co-creators. So you should be able to lead the student ambassador programs and digital marketing campaigns, lead in writing and developing a wide array of high quality educational content about entrepreneurship, develop corporate relationships and partnerships to co-organize programs for our startups and future founders, that is students and freelancers, leverage and build your network to connect with the facilitators, professors and schools, and tie new partnerships and alliances. Learn fast, adapt, take initiatives, search for ideas to always get better as a person and as a team. Assist our business development collaborators to coordinate and lead our teams to maximize the success of each program. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for various posts for the big basket. Qualification will be 10th, 12th, BA, BCom, BSc, BCA, MCA, BTech and MTech. Workplace will be work from home and also office. Experience required freshers and experience both. They have around 1800 plus posts. Official website is given here. You can check with that. Salary package up to 6 lakhs per annum. So to apply for these job roles, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for delivery partner at Zomato. So they want a required urgent first apply first hire basis. Immediate joiners are preferred. Work location will be nearby Madurai, and Zomato delivery partner. Salary offered 15,000 to 32,000 per month, and paid delivery basis 30 to 60 rupees per package. Eligibility will be like, firstly, anyone with smartphone and two-wheeler can able to apply for delivery partner. If someone have working experience with delivery boy is a big plus, that might be considered as a team leader. You must be at least 18 years old, Android phone of version 6.0 or higher with at least 2 GB of RAM is required. A two-wheeler that meets all applicable law and safety requirements. Driving license, registration certificate and insurance certificates are required. So to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for communicative trainer for the organization Kalvi Higher Education and Research Institute. So job location will be Madurai, Chennai, Dindigul and Theni. Job type is permanent. Education qualification is any degree. Key skills required are excellent in communication and flexible to travel. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for field sales officer for Bharati Airtel Limited. Industry will be like telecom career. Education qualification higher secondary and above. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 18,000 per month. Work hours will be 10 AM to 7 PM Monday to Saturday. So if you see the job description, driving customer market share by driving prepaid activations in Madurai area, manage MNP to increase share of gross ads through retailers, driving revenue by increasing the retail width of and also pushing all the products of Airtel. Product wise like data 3G and 4G, Airtel Money, 4G data card, and but also in addition other company products, strengthening distribution by however consistent supply to existing outlets and increasing the selling outlets SIM at all to increase activate SIM and Bharati Airtel outlets nearby, and above all increase number of rural distributors jobs nearby Madurai city to reach tetrite recharges and sales accordingly, to achieve gross prepaid targets to get more incentives. At least after that support to customers, uh, after sales support to customers. So these are all the job description details. To apply for this job role, we can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for sales assistant, sales officer, banking products for the organization FinCare Small Finance Bank. Salary as per company standards and rules. Location will be Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Job type is full time. Work schedule will be day shift. Experience range required minimum 1 to 6 years of experience. So minimum 1 year of experience and up to 6 years of experience will be considered in a sales, marketing, client relationship, BDM from any industry. Qualification will be like candidates having experience of minimum 6 months in CA, SA or other banking product sales. Candidates must have completed graduation with at least 60% of marks or equivalent CGPA. Age should be between 21 to 36 years. Local knowledge of Madurai area is required. Own vehicles to close corporate deals. Good communication, presentation and client relation skills. Basic knowledge of all BFSI products. Ready to travel across the Madurai city is required. So these are all the qualification and responsibilities requirements. So to apply for this job role, we can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for warehouse operation manager for Shadowfax. Job location is Madurai or nearby warehouse in Tamil Nadu. Job type is full-time on-roll. Work schedule will be day shift, and requirements are required like proven work experience as a warehouse operation or inventory management with graduation full-time, proven ability to implement process improvement initiatives, looking experience into middle mile operations, warehouse operations with excellent communication skills, must have Tamil Nadu local language knowledge, for example, Tamil, Hindi and English, strong decision making and problem solving skills, local area knowledge of Madurai, Tamil Nadu is required, leadership skills and ability to manage staff also required. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for relationship executive, senior relationship executive for the organization Sriram Transport Finance Company Limited. Education qualification, any graduates or postgraduates, experience minimum 6 months, experience into sales, marketing or relevant experience, or MBA freshers can also apply. Salary will be based in BFSI industry. Eligibility criteria, if you see, should have completed their qualifying degree with aggregate of 50%. Age should not be above 27 years. Familiar with local area of Madurai. Good communication skills, presentation skills, team coordination. Should have own vehicle to communicate and meetings with existing and new customers. Good reference on local market Madurai for generate fresh leads. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for delivery driver jobs like delivery expert food services for the organization Domino's Pizza. Location nearby Madurai store. Pay scale need to discuss in-person interview. Work shift noon or late night. Job duties: operate all equipment, stock ingredients from delivery area to storage, work area Madurai and walk-in cooler, prepare product, receive and process telephone orders, take inventory and complete associated paperwork, clean equipment and facility daily. Communication skills, ability to comprehend and give correct written instructions and any of Tamil Nadu like Tamil language, Hindi or English language. Ability to communicate verbally with customers and co-workers to process orders both over the phone and in person. To apply for the job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for Paytm KYC job with a 10th pass qualification. So for the organization Paytm KYC, eligibility criteria if you see excellent communication skills, local city language, Hindi and English. Education requirement for Paytm jobs near is like near Madurai is 10th pass or fail, 12th pass or fail and above. Understand end-to-end account opening process through mobile. Experience in understanding and handling technical queries from customers. Technical expertise including basic network troubleshooting, internet and database compliance related to account opening jobs like account opening jobs, that means that profile nearby Tamil Nadu. And at last, exchange related requirements with respect to account opening and KYC, and roles and responsibilities if you see selected candidates will work as a customer support executives account opening jobs, monitor progress of account opening by customers, brands and apps. Most importantly, assist customers technically as well as functionally in the end-to-end account opening process, prepare MIS and submit to management. Likewise, find the gaps and bottlenecks in the system or process and coordinate with IT and various stakeholders for continuous improvements. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for MKU University. So education qualification is MA MSc. They are looking for like project assistant job opening. So if you want more details about this education qualification and the application procedure, you can go to the official notification. The link is given below in description. Salary range will be up to 40,000 per month. Age limit is minimum 21 years and up to 28 years. And mode of the selection is written exam and interview. So as I said, to get to know more information and to get to know details about the application procedure, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for marketing executive for the organization Aptivo Incorporation. Education qualification and requirements are like MBA with marketing specialization, good communication skills, aggressive in marketing. Marks should be 90%, like so experience like minimum like freshers are eligible and up to 3 years of experience will be considered. So experience is not required, freshers are totally eligible for this job role. So to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for Rapido bike taxi captains for the organization Rapido. Post is captain bike taxi driver. So job category is transportation jobs. Job type is full time with Rapido. Can work on part time basis also for students only. Job location is Anjal Nagar, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Requirements under duties and responsibilities if you see. Requirements are should have valid driver's license, bank passbook, PAN card, smart card, blue book, Aadhaar card, RC book, etc. Should have a two-wheeler with helmet. Location area knowledge of Anjal Nagar, Madurai for better and safe drive. Excellent organizational and communication skills. Good driving record with no traffic violations. Duties and responsibilities if we see, drop and deliver the customers to desired location nearby in Anjal Nagar, Madurai within the stipulated time. Follow the right routes and maintain a strict time schedule to get better customer reach. Collect payments from customers once drop across Madurai city. Inform customers about the new products and services to get better customer experience. Prepare, inspect and operate a delivery vehicle on time to time. Ask for feedback on provided services and resolve clients' complaints to get best future goal. So to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for associate sales consultant for the organization Policy Bazaar. So experience is 1 year, minimum 1 year and above experience is required. Industry is insurance. Location is Madurai. Work location will be depending on availability of gaps to nearby city of Chennai. We'll discuss on interview. Employment type full-time permanent. Qualification is any graduates. Functional area sales, retail, business development. Eligibility criteria if we see minimum graduate with any bachelor's degree. Prior sales or marketing experience minimum 6 months. Good communication, verbal and non-verbal and presentation skills. Good selling and negotiation skills. Candidates should be local or native from the Madurai location. Best customer coordination skills are required. So to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for courier, delivery or pickup boy for the organization Amazon. They require urgently first apply, first hire basis, immediate journals are preferred. Work location Anjal Nagar, Madurai. Job title two-wheeler rider jobs and salary will be 15,000 to 40,000 per month. Paid hourly basis 120 to 140 rupees per hour. Job role and responsibilities firstly should have a Android or iOS smartphone. Similarly required some knowledge using of smartphone. Most importantly to have a bike and driving license. To apply for this job role you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for specialist cadre officer for the State Bank of India. So job location will be across Tamil Nadu. Pay scale is up to 42,000 rupees per month, and job description if you see analysis of balance sheet, appraisal of credit proposal, credit monitoring and follow-up, pre-sanction stage, ensuring compliance of KYC norms, updating of periodical due diligence reports as per RBI guidelines Tamil Nadu, obtaining data or information from customers for assessment and processing of the proposal, interaction with key officials in the browsing units for obtaining data or statements, etc. Obtain and verify the legal research reports, valuation reports for properties offered as primary or collateral securities, ROC sets and at each sanction of the limits to the unit, arranging for compilation and updating of opinion reports and CIRS, understanding pre-sanction visits, appraising of credit proposals and CRA, arranging for D&B credit reports and their scrutiny whenever required, obtaining external credit ratings of the customers nearby Madurai areas. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for junior software engineer for the organization Radical Start Infolab Private Limited. If you see the job description, minimum 1 to 5 years of experience in React.js, Node.js, Angular, good understandings of structured and unstructured databases, MySQL and MongoDB, knowledge of isomorphic React.js is an added advantage. Experience in implementing following well-known React.js workflows such as Redux, ability to learn new technologies and languages quickly, proficient understanding of code versioning tools such as Git, and experience with JavaScript backend framework like Express.js, good time management skills, experience with RESTful API services, delivering a complete front-end application, professional precise communication skills, deep knowledge of AngularJS, Node.js, React.js practices and commonly used modules based on extensive work experience, good knowledge in JavaScript and able to handle array and objects built-in methods, a good logical thinker and problem solving skills, a good team player. So to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for Ola cab driver and commercial driver for the organization Ola Cabs. So, job location will be near Madurai or nearby area. So, if you see the requirements and benefits, requirements are applicant must have driving license, yellow badge and clean driving record, PAN card, Aadhaar card, current and permanent address proofs to join Ola. Registration is free. You should have an Android smartphone with active data connection on your SIM. Area knowledge of Madurai roads and neighborhoods is required. Applicant have 1 year driving experience or more. Flexibility in working for any timing day and night. Benefits like zero pressure rides, redeemable earnings, daily withdrawals, insured rights, accidental insurance. So all these things benefits given. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, if you see the job, there is a job opening for HDFC for the sales manager position. And if you see the job responsibilities and requirements, job responsibilities, hence it is a critical that SM has to ensure that the team is every motivated and is in high spirits for delivering of business actionable planning of hiring and managing the churning of FOS is vital since this segment has high turnarounds and ensuring that throughout the year there is no shortfall of resource. All relevant collateral to be made available with all channel partners to create visibility, which should increase leads for enhanced business sales process or housekeeping. Lead management or bank has laid down sales management process which are crucial to business ethics and audit requirement, and each SM has to ensure same is being adhered consent in platforms which is required to be updated at regular intervals to meeting with the branches along with actionable of each stakeholders, cross-sell, understand customers overall need and assess opportunity of cross-selling of any additional product other than gold loan. So if you see the job requirements, sales and influencing skills, banking product and process knowledge, planning and organizing skills, communication skills, and knowledge of competition and current trends in financial industry. So to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for business development executive for the organization.com Infoway. Job location will be Madurai. Experience required minimum 1 to 3 years of experience. Qualification any degree with excellent communication skills. Proactively initiate and engage sales calls to new prospects. Should do lead generation and identify new prospects through bidding and fixing an appointment with the decision maker like director, CEO or IT head in an organization, and supporting to business development team. Should do data mining, market research, lead generation, sending a proposal and requesting for PO, following the customer for payments and handling service feedbacks, strong experience in bidding, online bidding, negotiation skills, running email campaign, call campaign according to the vertical, should handle incoming calls and email inquiries. Verbal communication skill is mandatory. So to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for IT recruiter job for the organization Infolab Private Limited. If you see the description and responsibilities, minimum 1 year of experience in IT recruitment is required. Exposure in job portals and social network, experience in hiring web developers and mobile developers, should have strong communication skills and interpersonal skills, sourcing right candidates through job portals, advertisements, headhunting, networking and employee referrals, etc. Good analytic skills and expertise to be proficient in hiring through various channels, utilizing job portals, free job posting sites, social networking sites, etc. Understanding the requirements and sourcing screening profiles, shortlisting the candidates for a preliminary interview, develop sourcing strategies that are successful in reaching out to the passive and active job seekers, screen and interview prospective candidates, build good rapport with candidates throughout the interview process to ensure a positive experience, regularly update the internal database with new resumes and bring in more innovative recruiting techniques. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for senior QA engineer for the organization app team. Total vacancies is only one. Application mode is online. Qualification is BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA. Age limit is minimum 18 years and up to 39 years of age will be considered. Selection process online examination interview. Pay scale will be minimum 25,000 to up to 35,000 per month. To apply for the job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for delivery partner for Grofers. So work location will be around Madurai. Depending upon orders, need to travel a bit for more orders. Salary per pay per work. We follow the pay per packet model wherein your earnings will be based on every delivery you make, plus you also get additional incentives based on the weight you carry and the distance you cover. So work type will be part-time, work hours will be flexible, education qualification 10th pass or fail, no qualification is required. Roles and responsibilities, if you see, you are a independent contractors who partner with grocers to pick up grocery items ordered by consumers on the Grocers app and deliver those items to the convenience of the consumer doorstep. You need to use your own two-wheeler to make these deliveries and pick your own schedule. So to apply for the job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job opening for biomedical engineer for LS Devices Private Limited. Job description, if you see, an urgent opening for a medical device company at Chennai for looking for the following position. Job location will be Chennai, Madurai and Bangalore. Biomedical engineers with 1 to 2 years of experience must be a graduate having good knowledge on local area networking and maintenance, must have hands-on experience on networking, able to troubleshoot hardware issues. Minimum 1 to 2 years of practical information technology experience is required. Salary will be offered minimum 20,000 to up to 25,000 per month. To apply for the job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for process associate for the organization. Secondum Solutions. If you see the job description, qualification and benefits, basic computer knowledge is required, good typing speed and basic knowledge in Excel and computer handling is required. Qualification is any degree candidate or undergraduates can also apply. Candidates with ARERAS can also apply. Positive attitude and commitment to grow with the company. Benefits, month paid training from the company, salary would be paid, and candidates will have incentives for all the process. Walk in directly along with your updated resume and photo. So to get to know more details and the information, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited for the supervisor trainee freshers, multiple openings, and department is finance department career. Total post they have 40 plus. Education qualification requirements, applicants should be with full-time regular bachelor's degree in commerce BCom from recognized Indian University Institute with minimum 70% of marks or equivalent CGPA. Candidates from Madurai or anywhere in India who is match the requirements can apply BHEL career Tamil Nadu. Age criteria maximum 27 years. Selection process is computer based examination and group discussions. Training and pay scale for freshers trainees executive at BHEL. For the post of freshers trainee in BHEL, salary details and the training details as per the given below. CTC is 7.5 lakhs per annum for supervisor trainee from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Supervisor trainees training for 1 year. During training period, basic pay of 32,000. After successful completion of training, the trainees will be a supervisor in the pay scale of 33,500 to 1,20,000 with a basic pay of 33,500 plus other allowance. So to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for business development executive for the organization CSB Bank Limited. So job description, be responsible for sales and marketing of current account and savings account. Achieve assigned targets, maintain fund value and cross-sell other products. Minimum qualification is graduation, preferred MBA or PG in finance, commerce or other relevant specialization. Experience NBFCS, any industry with sales experience. Freshers can also apply. Salary will be offered minimum 1.5 lakhs to 2.4 lakhs per annum. Job location will be Coimbatore or Madurai. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job opening for branch operations officer for the organization Axis Bank. Salary will be as per the company standards, maximum 4 lakhs per annum. Job location is Madurai, Tamil Nadu, nearby branch where position alive, first come first service basis. And job type will be on-roll job with Axis Bank. Work schedule will be banking hours. Experience range 8 to 10 months of branch operation work. Job requirements, at all candidates are responsible for managing micro business loan disbursement nearby the Madurai area to maintain TAT and quality of the files at the time of disbursement. Checking and disbursement of MBL cases on system based on the computer policy and parameters to coordinate with all stockholders like sales, credit, FCU on a regular basis for process and policy changes and daily work. Mainly mentor and coach senior team members to precolate ethos of customer certainty, so, innovation, compliance, and integrity. Lastly, attract and retain best-in-class talent to meet bank's rapid growth targets of Madurai branch. To apply for this job, you can go through the provided link below in description. Next, there is job openings for courier delivery partner and pickup job for the organization FedEx. Day shift and working hours will be open. Job location nearby warehouse on Madurai area. Salary will be per package basis. If you see the requirements, high school diploma or GED, valid driver's license, clean driving record, proven delivery experience nearby Madurai city is preferred. Sound knowledge of road safety regulations, working knowledge of local roads and routes nearby the Madurai. Excellent time management skills, effective communication skills, exceptional customer service skills, punctual and reliable. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is job openings for specialist officers for the organization Union Bank of India. Qualification is any degree can apply. Experienced freshers or experienced to both. Salary range will be minimum 42,000 to up to 51,000 per month. Age limit is up to 40 years and for category they have the age relaxations. You can go through it. So to apply for this job role, all eligible candidates can apply for the position online using the below direct link Union Bank of India official website given in description below. You can go through it. Next, there is a job openings for Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. They are looking for driver or bus conductor. Total vacancies 985 is there. Official site will be given here. You can go through it. Job location will be Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Qualification 10th or 12th any graduate. Age limit is 28 years and pay scale will be 45,000 per month. So to get to know more information and to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is job openings for sales and service engineer for the organization Aravind Eye Care System. Required qualification is diploma or BE in electronics and communication engineering. Freshers or experienced candidates in sales and service can apply. Good English fluency is mandatory, preferably male candidates who is willing to travel. And if you see the roles and responsibilities, prime focus on equipment product promotion into the international market in coordination with the dealer to enhance the market. Working with regional wise business development executive for the product launch by understanding the market needs, potential and the competition's product, and attending the regional wise national conference for product launching and source into the market, reaching and if possible exceeding monthly, quarterly and annual sales target. Perform the product demonstration, installation and application support as well as sales follow-ups with the respective international dealer and regional wise business development executive. Ensuring product installation and customer satisfaction at every time. Building relationship with the dealer and customer by making the happy call at regular interval. Providing product sales, troubleshooting and maintenance training to the dealer staff members and basic troubleshooting and maintenance training to the product user. Maintaining customer or sales service records in detail, working with division to ensure the ease of convenience on every product and to identify the user challenges on product function if any. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for UI or front-end developer for the organization's Softex Private Limited. Job summary is they are looking for UI or front-end developer to join their team. Responsibilities including participating in the entire software development lifecycle, designing applications and supporting existing systems. If you are equally happy to roll up your sleeves to write code and review other team members' work, then they would like to interview you. Candidates with experience in the development of job portals will be given preference. And if you see the minimum qualification requirements, required Vue.js skill with 2 years of experience, bachelor's or higher education. Job location will be Madurai. Required good command over English. Minimum 3 to 7 years of experience is required. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for relationship manager for S Bank Limited. Relationship management responsibilities and efficiency. Managing the banking or the investments relationship and responsible for overall growth of liabilities and investment business from branch or retail customers. Develop, manage and expand customer relationships by providing service level which exceeds client expectations of the most important customer segment. Identify current and potential relationship with additional revenue potential and grow business volumes for larger share of customer wallet. Education qualification, graduation, post graduation is okay. AMFI, NCFM, NISM, IRDA, JIIB, CAIIB and such relevant certifications will be an added advantage. Past experience, minimum 2 years of work experience in banking and financial services organizations. Good aspects and skills, good written and verbal communication skills, fully conversant with MS Office, excellent networking and interpersonal skills, sensitive to issues of confidentiality and compliance. To apply for the job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for technical lead Java, Sri Mukambika Info. Minimum experience is required 6+ years of experience, and the position is technical lead or senior technical lead. Industry will be healthcare and supply chain, vendor compliance management. Job location will be Madurai or Tiruchi or Chennai, Bangalore. Job description, if you see, candidates must have minimum 6 years of hands-on experience in developing enterprise applications using J2EE frameworks, including Spring, microservices, and SOA architectures. Knack for writing clean, readable Java codes. Candidates must have exceptionally strong on design principles, design patterns, architecture styles, specifications, libraries. Candidates should possess skill for writing reusable Java libraries and knowledge of concurrency patterns and class loading mechanism. Familiarity with concepts of MVC, JDBC and RESTful. So to apply for the job role, you can share your resume to the provided email ID jobs@mukambikainfo.com, and also you can browse the provided link below in description for more information. Next, there is job openings for software analyst jobs. For the organization we have, description is manual testing, experience in performance or load testing, experience in JMeter, experience in ERP finance based projects, experience in test case preparation, test execution, detect management in product, accountable and responsible for test impact analysis, exposure to preparing test strategy and plans, experience in test case preparation, test execution and defense management in any product. To apply for the job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for field sales executive for the organization Atria Convergence Technologies Limited. And if you see the job responsibilities, meeting sales target through the assigned project role, sell company products services to targeted customers in the assigned area of branch, attend all inquiry calls within TAT, generating own leads by way of door-to-door activity through cold calls in the assigned area, submitting daily call reports to branch sales in charge, and conducting weekly PTL activity through kiosk activity and reflecting voucher distribution, etc. Conducting and participating in on-ground activity, group activity to counter competition, generating sales from low utilized element within the assigned area to maximize capacity utilization, assist branch sale in charge in the preparation of sales plan for the area, responsible for acquiring new clients for business growth and maximize the profits of the organization by meeting the required sales targets. Education qualification is any bachelor's degree. Competency, customer sensitivity, execution excellence or do it right, functional expertise, passion, situation handling, team management, working together. Work experience, minimum 6 months to 5 years of work experience is required. Hardcore salesperson, exposure to field and direct selling. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is job openings for Cognizant organization off-campus drive for freshers. Selection process will be apply online, presentation test, aptitude test, wait for callback for an interview and result will be announced. Year of passing 2021, 2020 and 2019 passed outs. Language English is required and local language is good to go. Salary range will be 3.3 lakhs to 3.6 lakhs per year. And education qualification, any graduate or postgraduates, BE, BTech, MBA, MCA, ME, MTech and BCA. Qualification should be flexible to work in shifts, should have a good communication skills. The aspirants should be flexible to work in 24/7 shifts, should have a basic knowledge of PHP, Java, .NET, C, C++, etc. Excellent communication skills in English, both verbal and oral. Graduates to have a IT skills are looking for career in IT sectors. You can go through the link provided below in description to apply for this job role and to get to know more information. Next, there is a job openings for Business Development Manager for the organization Agro Capital Limited, channel NBFC, reporting to Branch Manager. Qualification is graduation. Experience or industry minimum 2 to 5 years of experience is required. Work location will be Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Posting will be nearby available location. CTC will be 1.8 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs plus performance based incentives. Education qualification, graduates with at least 1 year of relevant experience. Important pointers: CI CIBIL score expected 650 plus. Mandatory documents: all educational certificates, residence along with ID proof, all experience letters. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there are job openings for Blaze Web Services Private Limited. They are looking for mobile app developer. Experience required minimum 1 to 2 years of experience. Qualities: good logical thinking, smart problem solving, quick learning, interested to work in international projects. Apply if you have 1 to 2 years of experience in any of the below, like Reactive Native, Flutter, and native Android native iOS knowledge. In the below is a plus. Git Firebase WebSocket. So Firebase mobile app developer, these are all the skills and experience requirements. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is job openings for software engineer, category level 2 for the organization Honeywell. Minimum 3 to 6 years of experience in software product development is required. Strong experience in the Windows debug tools, strong communication skills in both oral and written, familiarity with frameworks .NET and CS, familiarity with DB development using both SQL and NoSQL, familiarity with using common message queue platforms. You must have bachelor's degree in engineering or computer science, understanding various software development life cycle, demonstrate the ability to develop efficient and high quality software, knowledge of software configuration management and change management practices, diverse and global teaming and collaboration, effective communicator, can quickly analyze, incorporate and apply new information and concepts, ability to consistently make timely decisions even in the face of complexity, balancing systematic analysis with decisiveness, ability to convey subtle for complex messages clearly as appropriate for the topic and audience. Some relevant experience is required. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is job openings for a driving partner for the organization Porter. Work location will be Madurai, Tamil Nadu. How it works: earn money by delivering goods, parcels, courier and packages, industrial logistics, etc. Employment type: part-time or full-time delivery job. Both options available in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. So what is the advantage to join Porter? Regular trips or orders. With our growing presence across Madurai and multiple cities of Tamil Nadu, we always have orders full. This means we will never run out of trips or orders. Better earnings without Porter. Earn more by partnering with the Porter because there is regular trips and efficient services available, which can grow your earnings by daily basis. On time or regular payment. Be assured to receive all payments on time in direct to your bank account and get the best in class support when you attach mini truck with Porter delivery jobs in Madurai. So to apply for the job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for a restaurant captain for the organization Dindigal Talapakatti Hotel. So always greet and welcome guests promptly in a warm and friendly manner. Assist guests on table reservation and ordering the food. Always thank and give fond farewell to guests, conveying anticipation for their next visit. Salary will be offered minimum 11,000 to 13,000 per month. Benefits are food allowance, health insurance, life insurance, paid sick time, paid time off. Schedule will be day shift. Supplemental pay, commission pay. Education qualification, higher secondary 12 pass is preferred. To apply for the job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is job openings for agency recruitment or development manager for the organization Exide Life Insurance Company Limited, and responsibilities if we see: execute of sales strategy, responsible for recruitment and management of agents or advisors, train and motivate advisors to provide a better understanding of market or products, monitor and review agents performance, help them achieve maximum business, meet customer on a regular basis for achieving standards, supervise and liaise with self-help group, microfinance institution, NGOs, etc. Any graduates can apply. Experience minimum 6 months of experience in any field sales, NBFC or BFSI is preferred. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.